Well, good Wednesday evening. There is the view as seen from Carter Mountain as we look off to the west. A lot of clear blue skies, sun beating down, and yeah, it was a very warm Wednesday. We're picking up where April left off here for this first day of May with temperatures well in the 80s. Let's check in on some of those numbers currently. We're 85 at the airport, touching 86 this afternoon. Winds are already shifted light out of the south. The air mass is very dry, so this type of environment will allow for a nice cool down tonight and a rapid warm up for tomorrow. 80 is the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 81 the afternoon high. Some other numbers at this hour, we have 82 there in Louisa, 81 in Palmyra, 80 in Waynesboro, and 82 currently in Madison. Temperatures tonight, because of that dry air, will settle back to comfortable levels. Most of us will be in the mid to upper 50s as we start our Thursday. And yes, we're going to try to do it again. Monday was a hot day, upper 80s, low 90s. It looks like Thursday is going to play out just as hot. Temperature forecasted for tomorrow for Charlottesville is 90. The record is 91, set back in 2018. So we could come very close to either tying or possibly breaking it. The average for second day of May is only 74. There's your planner for tomorrow. A lot of sunshine. We start in the 50s and 60s and we'll heat up basically in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees in many hometowns. We'll hold on to those 80s for Friday with some more clouds building in by late afternoon, but still toasty, and then a much cooler day as we roll into Saturday and really this weekend. And the next big thing is our opportunities for several rounds of showers and even some thunderstorms as we go into Saturday and Sunday. Saturday looks to be the cooler day. Sunday, that's more seasonable day, but the rainfall right now averaging anywhere between maybe half an inch to over an inch potentially, and we'll watch that over the next several days. We could certainly use some spring rain. High pressures to our north. The front that came through late last night, early this morning, is right along the Carolina coast and moving away. And this is the most active area of the country from the front range of the Rockies out across the plain states. You can see some tornado and severe thunderstorm watch boxes across Oklahoma and the Texas Panhandle, and that energy will eventually translate eastbound with time, and that will give us our rise of increased chances for some rain as we move into this weekend. Yes, it's warm. It's more like June or July, and certainly not early May. So in the morning, we'll start in the comfortable 50s. The air mass is dry, so we'll heat up in a hurry, upper 80s to around 90, so a hot afternoon. And then as we start Friday morning, we'll start temperatures either side of 60. During the day, most of us will still remain in the 80s, a toasty afternoon. A stray or isolated storm can't be ruled out, especially in the mountains, but our better opportunity for rain looks to really arrive as we get into Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and during the day on Sunday. Temperatures for this night settle into the comfortable 50s. A great night to just be out. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Our summery week continues right through Friday. Another hot day tomorrow. And then we get that cool down here, Casey and Steve, for the weekend. 60s on Saturday, 70s on Sunday. And we'll watch those rain chances, some hit and miss showers and storms by next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.